If you're planning a move to Europe, you're probably feeling two things at once: excited about what's ahead and uncertain about how to move everything there safely. That's completely normal. An international move isn't just about transportation, it's about protecting your home, your memories, and the life you've built. And one of the smartest ways to move your household to Europe, especially if you're not filling an entire container, is through groupage shipping. Let me explain what that means in simple terms. Groupage shipping, sometimes called consolidation, allows multiple households moving to the same European region to share space inside one secure shipping container. Instead of paying for an entire container, you only pay for the space your belongings actually use. It's efficient, it's cost-effective, and when managed correctly, it's extremely reliable. This option works beautifully if you're moving from a smaller home, relocating temporarily, sending personal effects ahead of you, or simply don't have enough items to justify a full container. At SDC International Shipping, we manage groupage shipments regularly to destinations across Europe, including the United Kingdom, France, Germany, Spain, Portugal, Ireland, Italy, and many other major cities. Because we coordinate consolidation in-house, we control the scheduling, the loading process, and the documentation. That control makes a difference. It reduces delays, it avoids third-party markups, and it keeps your move organized from the very beginning. Here's how the process typically works. First, we carefully assess the volume of your shipment and your destination requirements. Then, our professional export packing team prepares your belongings using international-grade materials. Every carton is labeled clearly. Every item is inventoried properly. Every document is prepared in advance. Your shipment is transported to one of our consolidation facilities, where it is securely loaded into a container alongside other shipments heading to the same region. Once sealed, the container departs by sea freight to Europe. When it arrives, our trusted overseas partners handle customs clearance and coordinate delivery to your new residence. It's a complete door-to-door international moving solution. Now, one of the most important parts of any European move is customs documentation. Each country has its own requirements. For example, the UK requires a transfer of residence application before shipping in order to qualify for duty-free entry. France requires a certificate of change of residence issued by the French consulate. Germany requires proof that you lived outside the European Union for more than 12 months and that your goods were owned and used for at least 6 months prior to shipping. These are not small details. Incorrect paperwork can cause delays, unexpected duties, or storage fees at port. That's why we guide you step by step before anything leaves the United States. Preparation prevents problems. Most groupage shipments travel by sea freight because it offers the best balance between cost and reliability. Transit times typically range between 4 and 8 weeks, depending on the destination and customs processing. If you need certain essentials sooner, we can also arrange air freight for smaller shipments. Many families choose to ship critical items by air and the rest by sea. Your move should support your timeline, not the other way around. If you're considering bringing a vehicle, it must be containerized with your household goods. We do not provide standalone car-only shipping. Containerized vehicle transport offers better protection and smoother customs coordination when relocating your residence. And if your housing abroad isn't ready yet, we offer climate-controlled storage in the United States before departure, as well as coordinated storage solutions overseas. Flexibility matters during international transitions. Because your belongings will travel across the ocean, we also offer marine insurance options for additional peace of mind. International moving involves long distances and multiple handling points. Insurance simply adds another layer of protection to what matters most. At the end of the day, moving to Europe is a major life milestone. It may be for career growth, for retirement, for family, for a fresh start. Whatever your reason, you deserve clarity, structure, and a team that treats your move with care. SDC International Shipping is licensed by the Federal Maritime Commission and serves clients nationwide across all 50 states. We specialize in international household goods shipping, and we guide families through this process every single day. You don't have to figure this out alone. If you're planning a move to Europe and want clear answers about groupage shipping or full container options, we're here to help. Visit sdcinternationalshipping.com to request your personalized consultation or call us directly at 877-339-0267. That's 877-339-0267. Let's make your move to Europe smooth, secure, and professionally managed from beginning to end. We look forward to helping you get there.